Hey everyone friends, welcome to the Velor channel. Today I'll show you how to play one block in Minecraft. For this, type one block map in your browser. Here's our first link for one block. Click here and we need to select our specific version. Let's say I want 21.5. I'll click on it and hit the download button. Now we've downloaded this file. We need to move it to our worlds folder. For this we need to open run. Type run. Here's the update percentage. Click OK. Open Minecraft here, then open Worlds. There will be a folder called Saves. Here. Go into this archive and move this save here. After that, when you open Minecraft, this world will appear in your worlds list. This was Velor with you. See you all later.